Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Arson Woods. Again, more temples. More because I think more than 600 videos I have made for different temples, designs, colors, sizes, patterns, puja traditions. So much stuff we have made, and that's just videos. Actual units are in thousands because we keep repeating some units. So we are not remaking the videos for the repeated units. But when we get something different, we make a new video. Here, the units are not very new. The designs I've shown you earlier also, but there are a few points that I like to discuss in this video that will give you good idea about the temple formation and the sizes also. The main point here I wanted to impress is the size part. This is 5 feet unit, this is 6 feet unit. 5 feet left to right, 6 feet left to right, and you see the difference. Huge look difference. Because when we are making a unit bigger, then we have to make it big from all sides. This is 7 feet high, this is 9 feet high. This is 24 inches deep, this is 27 inches deep. So a couple of inches changes. This is 27, 24, and you can see the depth look, the depth of both the units, how they are looking quite different. And this really happens. When we are making a bigger unit, the overall dimensions have to be changed, and that makes the unit look very different and very big. And that is why there is a price difference. Let's say a 2 feet unit is, let's say, 30,000. So a 3 feet unit may go for 45 or 50,000. It's not about one or one ratio two or one two. That doesn't work in temples. Now this unit, let's talk about this one. 6 feet left to right, 27 inches from this point to the back. If you see, this point is a little curvaceous outside, 27 inches. The platform till this point is 36, 3 feet, 3 feet high from the ground. And then we have two steps, 6 inches high each. So this height is 4 feet. So our deities, our Murti, will be at 4 feet and 3.5 feet height. And this is a very good height when we stand and pray. I'm standing right here. You can see it's a proper height. And this is how the units are designed. The house is 4 feet high, and then the top part of the kalash, three kalash we have, and the entire design in the middle that you can see here. Teak wood, all the carving areas, every carved area is teak wood, including the sides. If you see the side, you'll see a peacock design here as well. And the elephant, a sitting elephant with trunk down, as you can see here, then double pillar design, and the Mayuri on the top, one, two, three, four, and two Mayuris on the other side, six Mayuris. And then on the top, we have got a peacock right in the middle, then three Kalash on the top, and this is the overall design. If you talk about the storage part, we have got a Diya tray in the middle because there is a curve here, and if you want a bigger tray, we have to make it a little straight because curvaceous thing doesn't work in this Vogue tray or Diya tray thing. So this center part we have converted to a Diya tray. Then we have two big drawers, quite deep, and then we have these cabinets on the side. Big cabinet, huge one, and that will allow a lot of space inside for the storage, for the Ganga Jal bottle or the oil bottle or the other things or other stuff you want to keep inside the storage area. The other unit that we have, the 5 feet one, this is 24 inches high, the platform here. Then again, we have Diya tray in the middle. Then we have drawers, one, two, and three. Then cabinet on this side. And this is the designing part. If you want to change any of this, you want the cabinet in the middle and you want drawers on the side, that can be done. You want two drawers instead of three, that can be done. Now again, here you can see the elephant. It's a standing elephant with the trunk up, and here in this one, sitting elephant with the trunk down. This is a very small point, but this makes difference sometimes. This you can talk to your pandiji also, because different pandiji, as you know, in Sanatan, everybody has their own opinion. And if they say that this is the right formation, we will get you this one. If you want this one, this is the right formation, you can get this one. And the same concept of six Mayuris, two and two on the other side, one in the center, three Kalash on the top. This is light walnut, this is dark walnut. Both carving area, entire carving area is in teak wood, and both are in gloss finish. This is the overall picture of the unit you can see. One difference you can notice here is the back part. In the back here, we have got two half pillars and the carving inside, and there are two half pillars on the sides as well, on the corners. In this one, in the other one, we have a plain back, and there are two half pillars on the corner and two pillars on this corner, just like the front pillar design. And this is the designing part. If you want something at the back like an LED light or a carved design, or you want some modern LED panels with the cutting of Om, Ram, or some other design, you can let us know. We have made a lot of them. If you have your own design, we can make that too. You want a mantra in the middle, just like Om Bhur Bhuva or Gayatri mantra, you want that, we can write that. In South, if we go, people ask for Tamil Om and different text part. We can do that for you. All these are requirement parts. What you are looking for. The most important point remains the puja tradition, because everybody has got their own traditions, and the part of tradition, if comes in your temple, it makes the temple more personalized. And this is what we do. This is going to Mumbai, this one is going to Bangalore, different locations, and we deliver outside India also. 55 countries we have already delivered to, and all deliveries are home deliveries right to your door. And this can be either one unit or an entire container, 20 feet container, 40 feet container, LCL shipment by sea or by air, depending on the requirement. We have done it for thousands of clients. You can visit our testimonial section. You can see there how much work has been done already, how the people have got the designs done, how they select the entire thing, how they plan the entire thing, and we will make it according to that. In our home temple, as I mentioned about the puja traditions, this is one most important point that we have to look for, apart from the sizes, because sizes again are personalized thing. How much space I have, accordingly I'll make the unit. And this is what I have shown you in both these temples, the size difference and the look difference. A 5 feet and 6 feet unit, how different they look when the sizes changes. The color also impact the overall look, the lighter shade, darker shade. Mandir are not generally black, so don't get a black mandir. Ebony is not a color. Then you can go for a lighter shade, natural finish. You can go for a little reddish shade, that is something a cherry shade. Then you can also go for paint colors, Duco paint colors. Duco has all the finishes, the colors are all available. Majorly, the colors that people like are gold, antique silver, and then white, off white. In white also there is a marble look, satin look, and then dual shade, triple shade, and the champagne color we have recently done, and gold rush. All these are very popular colors. And if you are looking for a more heavier design, then we can go for gold leafing, silver leafing. All these things we have done already for a lot of clients, not just for India, for entire world. You select what you want, let us know how you want it. We will make it delivered to your doorstep at factory price and safe delivery. That is more important. As we can make any big structure here, huge structure here, but shipping that safely to your home, that is the prime requirement. And we have successfully done it for thousands of clients, that you can see in the testimonial section on the website. And testimonial section also is good because it gives you more idea how people have got their temple made, what elements have they incorporated, how they have decorated the temple, how they have placed the murtis inside, which color is looking good in what setup, the wall color and your temple unit, how they are matching the colors. So overall, it gives you a better picture. So if you are looking to order a temple, please check the testimonial section also. Let's see what people have ordered, what they have got, how it is done, and this will help you to design your own home temple. Apart from that, you want a door temple, you want a modern design, a simpler design, not this heavy carved design, smaller, bigger, with shikhar, without shikhar, gopuram, four-fold door, two-fold door, pocket doors. All this we are doing because Arsan is the biggest temple, home temple making company, manufacturing company, in fact, crafting. That is the right word, because this is all handcrafted. This is not machine made. In both these temples, only the murti part. If there is a murti on the unit, that we make with machine, with CNC machine. Rest everything is hand carved. So crafting the top quality temples in teak wood, delivering across the globe. Arson is the company you can choose. The number is right here. Talk to us. Let us know what you want. We will make a beautiful unit for your requirement and deliver to your place as you want it. The number is right here. Please contact us. Thank you. Dhanyavad.